Hi, my name is Firly Ardana Mahmud, NPM 20/2096 from Class B. I want to read material about business law. Business law deals with the creation of new business and the issues that arise as existing business interact with the public, other companies, and the government. This area of the law draws on a very all legal description, including tax law, intellectual property, real estate, self-employment law, bankruptcy, and others. Business law provides rules and guidance for companies to follow before disputes occur. Business can be formed as corporation, liability companies, partnership, and other entities. In practice, business law is closely connected with other laws such as security law, antitrust law, bankruptcy, labor and employment law, and environmental law. Most business enterprises are organized in one of three ways: as a sole proprietorship, as a partnership, general of limited, or as corporation. Business organizations share some common aspects with others, but differs in needed ownership, the degree of personal liability of the investor for the enterprise, depth, and the complexity of the sector. A sole proprietorship is a business enterprise owned solely by one individual. It is the most elementary organizational form of business. Small new business often begins as sole proprietorship because they are the simplest and least expensive to form and operate. Local accounts or otherness is business for themselves, or small retail shop are likely to be sole proprietorship. The formation, operation, and management of sole proprietorship are generally simple. It is not necessary to file any documents with any governmental office other than local requirements that the owner register the name of the business to prevent fraud. This registration would notify the public, for example, that Resolve is doing business Resolve X3. A partnership is an aggregation of two or more persons to carry on a business for profit as co-owners. There are two kinds of partnership: general and limited. An agreement to operate as a partnership can be written, but unlike a corporation or limited partnership, there is no requirement that any documents be filed with any governmental authority. The agreement might even be oral, and partnership agreement might even be implicit from conduct despite a written agreement to the contrary. Like the sole proprietor partner in a general partnership are exposed to unlimited liability, and the partnership does not have to pay income tax separate from its owner. Instead, the income or loss of the business is reported on the partner's personal individual tax returns. The goal of the partnership, from rather than sole proprietorship, is cause over a corporation to avoid the complexities involved in forming and running a corporation. A limited partnership has both general and limited partner. It differs from a general partnership in the fact the limited partners are no job subject to unlimited liability for the debts of the business and risks only. The loss of their initial capital contribution to the partnership correspondingly, limited partners have little control over the running of the business, which is run by the general partner or partners. Thank you.